All right, practice test number 1. Let's do it to it here. Okay, use a calculator to solve for x in the given interval. Big thing with this one is don't miss the calculator part. Don't try to do this by hand. Okay, don't do it. Use the calculator to figure out what x makes cotangent of x equal to negative 2.13 for x between 0 and pi. Let's get our calculators pulled up. Get my face out of the way. Let's go to our y equals screen. I want to graph cotangent x, which is the same thing as 1 divided by tangent x. And for my second equation, I want the negative 2.13. And a few other reminders here. Since I want my solution between 0 and pi, I want to be in radian mode. Again, this test you do need to switch back and forth a few times. And then as far as a window goes, I'm going to hit zoom and choose option 7, trig. That's just going to give me a nicer scale to work with for my simple trig problems like this. Okay, so I want a solution, and I want the one between 0 and pi. As you can see here, there's many solutions, many times these graphs hit. Now, let me try something here. Let's make this window bigger. Now, the trick is when I use zoom trig, we're counting by units of pi over 2. Okay, each of these dashes is going to be pi over 2, which is a nice scale if you think about our sines and cosines and all those different trig functions. Basically, their critical values go by pi over 2s. So if I want the solution between 0 and pi, that means I'm looking for the one between 0, between pi. I want the solution, within this range here, so I want this solution right there. Okay, whatever that is. Let's pull our calculator back up. We'll go second, calc, option 5 for intersect. And let's see here, we've got our first curve. We can just say it's the blue curve, hit enter. Automatically takes us to our red curve, the second curve, hit enter. And if I scroll over to the solution I'm looking for, we get our y is the negative 2.13, which is what we're looking for, when x is 2.7. There we go.